Welcome to our instructional video, which will help you in assembling the tiled fireplaces from the solid line. To correctly position the tiled fireplace and for easy assembly of the smoke flue, you first measure the vertical axis of the chimney and move it to the floor. The rear wall of the fireplace must be at least 10 centimeters from the wall. Make your measurement using an ordinary level, or better yet, a laser level. Be very careful not to damage the product when unpacking. The fireplace insert is fixed on a pedestal along with tile units 1 and 2. Do not unpack these units yet. Carefully carry tile units 3 and 4 from the pallet to the prepared packaging styrofoam. First, loosen the packaging material on the back side of tile units 1 and 2. And then disassemble the mounting screws, keeping the fireplace pedestal secured to the shipping pallet. This step is necessary for the next assembly procedure. Using a dolly, remove the base from the pallet, comprised of the pedestal, fireplace inserts, and tile units 1 and 2, and position on the measured point. Again, pay increased attention to avoid damaging the glass or other visible spaces. Remove the fixation styrofoam from the rear internal space and blocks of wood from the front part. Inside the fireplace insert, you'll find the operating instructions and jointing material. Now precisely place the smoke flue according to the control points onto the fireplace insert and visually check the access to the chimney. Then remove the smoke flue for easier handling when assembling other tile units. First, position tile unit 3 so that it would be even with unit 2 in all directions. Another step is fitting the prepared smoke flue to the throat of the fireplace insert. Then position tile unit 4 in the same manner as the previous number 3. Insert the supporting frame into the top part of ceramic unit 4. Then insert into it the ceramic lid and center it. After inserting the ceramic lid at the top outlet of the smoke flue, fit onto it its last part. In case of a rear outlet, perform this step prior to inserting the ceramic lid. The final connection of the smoke flue must be performed by an authorized person in compliance with valid legislation. The frame of the fireplace insert is used as a visible cover of joints between the insert and ceramic parts. When assembling, continue from the lower edge to the upper part of the door. Next, secure the frame using 4 screws in the internal perimeter space. The tiled fireplace is equipped in the rear or side part of Tile Unit 1 with a service inlet for inspection and assembly of the central air intake into the combustion chamber. After removing the ceramic lid, perform its connection using a stainless steel sleeve. The overall design of the fireplace can be completed based on an individual wish by jointing tile units. For more information, log on to the website or consult with any one of our authorized dealers.